How to enable or disable keyboard autocorrections in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general, and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Now here you can see the option auto correction. Now here you can enable or disable your auto correction. If you want to disable your auto correction by turning this button off, and if you want to enable your auto correction, then turning this button on. So this is the way to enable or disable auto correction in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.